Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Luna Classic for today. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's see the price prediction and the technical analysis of Luna Classic. So right here, what do we have? A mini pump over the daily frame of around plus 4.78%. We are going to see if this is enough. We are going to see the possible direction of Luna Classic. And of course, we are going to see if Luna Classic can go above the 0.3060. Many people are holding because they are thinking that Luna Classic is going to 1 USDT. This is not going to happen. However, eliminating one no is not impossible, but we are going to explain why for now it is difficult. First of all, let's draw our classical fib, this time from this top to this bottom. Right here, you can see that if we go all the way up, you will see that we found a little bit of rejection at the 0.3030. Okay, this is a very huge resistance level for the Luna Classic. If we just remove all the drawings and redraw the Fibonacci retracement, this time from this top right here down to this bottom, you will see that for the time being we are above the 0.382, but that has nothing to do yet. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the same Fibonacci retracement that we draw from the top to the bottom. Remember that we draw the fib from the top to the bottom if we want to find major resistance levels. Right now, the thing here is that we are having the 0.3030. The next resistance level will be at the 0.3031286. This is a major resistance level and it is not easy to break above. Look at this right here, resistance level over 5 times in the daily frame from the 16th September towards the 20th September. All this time that we went all the way down, finding rejection again back on Monday 26th September where we had this huge pump. Then we finally made it out, but we didn't close above this target right here. Okay, very crucial target, the 0.303542. Now, what's the case for Luna Classic? If we can close above this target in the daily frame or in the 4-hour frame, then Luna Classic is going to go massively towards the 0.3040, and this is where it is going to stop and have a correction after. But for the time being, what we need to do, of course, it is to close above the 0.3034542 in order to get higher into the next target. Now, if we can manage to close above the 0.3031286, which is more achievable if you ask me to, then we can manage to pull it off towards the 0.3034542. Okay, closing above the 0.3031286 will get us all the way to the 0.3034542. Now, for the time being, what we are seeing in the lower time frames, we are seeing rejection in the 200 moving average in the 1-hour frame. Always remember that when we want to have a breakout, we need to ride the 200 moving average, not only riding it, but going further higher. Okay, so for example, right here, you can see that we went above, but at the same time we didn't have the strength, so a little bit closing above the 200 moving average and then we fall down. Now, in a bearish market, whenever we go above, we usually have a selling opportunity. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see right here as well. Now we are just retesting the 200 moving average and we are getting, for the time being, rejected, and we want to see, of course, where we can go. So for now, what we are going to do with the Luna Classic, it is that we are going to draw a new Fibonacci, this time in the lower time frames, to see for the next price targets. And we are going to draw the first one, which is the support levels. For the support levels, you can see that this line right here is very crucial to hold, the 0.3028. And I'm going to draw another fib for the lower time frames, this time from this top right here down all the way to this bottom. You can see right now that we are stopping at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Closing above this line, either in the 1-hour frame or in the 4-hour frame, we will be going probably to the 0.3030. Then we need to close above this line in the 4-hour frame to get even higher and to retest some nice targets. For the time being, if we do not close above this line, do not enter Luna Classic. Now for the holders, we have massive resistance levels to break out. Unfortunately, the case right now for Luna Classic is that I'm not seeing anytime soon that we are going to approach the 0.306. But of course, if you want and if you have bought at this bottom, for example, or at the rock bottom, then you can hold it for just a little bit more to see if we can manage to find a breakout or not. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.